Question number 9. In this question, we are given this system of equations. Note that this system is a little bit different because let's go to pink. This first equation is a second degree equation. No? What about the second one? Second, well, x exponent is 1, invisible 1. No? So this is a linear equation. Some y equal to some x. So this is linear, this is non-linear. So it's a non-linear system of equations. But nothing changes. We just solve in the usual way, which is by method of substitution. Here we'll just do method of substitution. And we are also given these conditions. We are taught that this point xy is the solution. So what does solution to a system, what does it mean? Well, that point satisfies first equation and the second equation. That's when a point is a solution to a system. We are also taught that x has to be strictly positive. That's a positive number. The question asks us what x times y is. So we need to find what x is, what y is, and then we multiply them. Okay, let's go on with it. So our first equation is y equals x squared. Second equation is this. This is messy. I want to simplify this. So I'll do it on this side and we'll put the simplified form here. So I'm just trying to simplify this, okay? So second equation is 2y plus 6 equals 2 times x plus 3. I'm gonna take the left side to 2 parentheses. 2, not distributed, 2 times y, 2 times 3, 6. So this is the same thing. On the right side, we still have 2 times x plus 3. Now divide both sides of the equation by 2. We get rid of this. Now I have plus 3 on both sides. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So we are left with y equals x. Wow! So this second equation is simply y equals x. It's really great. So y equals x. So now this is the system. Now first equation, the same format. Second is reduced to this, y equals x. So now we are solving for this point, no? X, y. So I'm going to use method of substitution. How does that work? So I'm going to just take this y value and I'm going to plug that into second equation. Plug first equation into the second equation. That's what I'm gonna do. So second equation is y equals x. Well, in the first equation y is x squared, so I'm gonna substitute it with that. Y is x squared. No? On the right side we still have x. Okay, so this is my second equation. This is when I plug 1 into 2. Okay, so now let's subtract x from both sides. We get x squared minus x equals 0. And now I'm going to factor the left side. It's a second degree equation. The other side is 0. What do we do then? We factor. No? One way to do that is to take into x parentheses. Note, if you distribute, you get exactly this, x squared minus x. So this equals 0. So that means this is second degree, so there are 2 x values, no? This says x is 0 and x is 1. So both of them solve this equation, no? Solve this system. But the conditions we are given in the problem says x has to be strictly positive. So I cancel this. This cannot be my solution. Then x equals 1. That is my solution. But I need to find what y is. Well, I know from second equation that y equals x. Well, if x is 1, and that means y is also 1. Then x times y is 1 times 1 equals 1, and that is choice A, and we are done.